In this Python Turtle graphics tutorial, we will learn how to use ycor and xcor functions. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. I created a window with turtle. I direct the turtle object to the 0 to 100 coordinates using the goto function. I can print the coordinates of the turtle object on the console screen by using xcor and ycor functions. The coordinates of the turtle object were printed on the console screen. Let's do another example. I go to coordinates 200 and 250 using the goto function. I copy and paste the print function. I printed the coordinates of the turtle object on the console screen. Now I will draw a dodecagon. Using the range property, I make the for loop run 12 times. I direct the turtle object 100 units forward. I direct the turtle object 30 degrees to the right. I add the print function to the for loop. This way I can access all the coordinates where the turtle object goes. In this video, we learned how to use the ycor and xcor functions. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.